Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is: beta cells release antibodies in blood plasma, tissue, fluid, and lymph. This kind of immune response is called: option A, cell-mediated response; option B, humoral response; option C, active response; option D, compound response. Our correct answer is B, humoral response. Our next MCQ is: the type of immunity in which antibodies are passed from one individual to another is called: option A, passive immunity; option B, artificial active immunity; option C, natural active immunity; option D, humoral immunity. So our correct answer is A, passive immunity. Our next MCQ is: to combat the active infections of tetanus, rabies, and snakes, the method of immunization is used: option A, active; option B, humoral; option C, active artificial; option D, passive. Our correct answer is D, passive method of immunization is used. Our next MCQ is: in antibody molecule, two heavy and two light chains are bonded by: option A, disulfide bond; option B, monosulfide bond; option C, hydrogen bond; option D, ionic bond. Our correct answer is A, disulfide bond. Our next MCQ is: variable amino acid sequences in antibody molecule are found in: option A, both light chains only; option B, both heavy chains only; option C, one heavy and one light chain; option D, both heavy and light chains. Our correct answer is D, both heavy and light chains. Our next MCQ is: each consists of a light gathering antenna complex and reaction center. Option A, chlorophyll; option B, photosystem; option C, photon; option D, electron. Our correct answer is B, photosystem. Our next MCQ is: photosystem 1 has a chlorophyll A molecules which absorb maximum light of: option A, 680 nanometer; option B, 780 nanometer; option C, 700 nanometer; option D, 580 nanometer. Our correct answer is C, 700 nanometer. Our next MCQ is: cyclic flow RC4 photosynthesis produces: option A, ATP and carbon dioxide; option B, ATP; option C, only carbon dioxide; option D, only oxygen. Our correct answer is B, only ATP. Our next MCQ is: immediate product formed after carbon dioxide fixation in Calvin cycle is: option A, unstable 6 carbon compound; option B, unstable 5 carbon compound; option C, unstable 4 carbon compound; option D, unstable 3 carbon compound. Our correct answer is A, unstable 6 carbon compound. Our next MCQ is: functional group of chlorophyll A is: option A, CH3; option B, CHO; option C, COOH; option D, OH. Our correct answer is A, CH3. Our next MCQ is: the modified plasmid or phage DNA is called: option A, clone DNA; option B, recombinant DNA; option C, complementary DNA; option D, DNA. So our correct answer is B, recombinant DNA. Our next MCQ is: the rapid exchange of materials through carrier proteins across the plasma membrane or cell membrane is called: option A, passive diffusion. Option B, active transport. Option C, endocytosis. Option D, facilitated diffusion. Our correct answer is D, facilitated. Our next MCQ is, the inner membrane of mitochondria form extensive infoldings called option A, cristae, option B, cisternae, option C, lamella, option D, bifida. Our correct answer is A, cristae. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following organelles is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Option A, centriole. Option B, endoplasmic reticulum. Option C, nucleus. Option D, ribosomes. Our correct answer is D, ribosomes. Our next MCQ is, the compounds which on hydrolysis yield polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone subunits. Option A, lipids. Option B, proteins. Option C, polynucleotides. Option D, carbohydrates. Our correct answer is D, carbohydrates. Our next MCQ is, secondary structure of protein is found in option A, trypsin. Option B, keratin. Option C, insulin. Option D, glucagon. Our correct answer is B, keratin. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following is the formula structure of D-alpha glucose? Let's see, these are 4 structures. The option D is incorrect because this is the ribose structure. Now see other 3 structures. The option C contain 7 carbon. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reject this structure also because glucose contain 6 carbon. Now this structure B, count carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is also wrong structure. So our correct answer is A. This is alpha D glucose structure, which is correct.